This video will be an unboxing, setup, and review of the A666 Professional Series microphone. Let's open it up and see what we got here. We got the owner's manual, operating instructions. Looks like we have two microphones. The receiver. Plugs and battery. And probably a power supply. So I'll go ahead and plug that in. Not mistaken, that's just a mono plug right there. And that's the floor. There's where the batteries go in. All right, I got power plugged in, maybe, and turned it on. It shows what frequency it is, what channel. Turn on one of these mics. This one's on channel 9. Testing. Well, shows signal, battery, frequency. Okay, so apparently when you're talking to the microphone, here you'll see this light flashing as it sees it. Guessing this is for levels. The frequency that this is on, channel and frequency, apparently cannot be changed, so they're set and that's it. So let me check the quality of it. Okay, so now I'm talking to you through the microphone. I have it plugged into my laptop and I'm using Adobe Audition to record it. I've adjusted my mic levels. I went ahead and had to turn it up pretty high on the laptop settings. And of course, to get to that, you can just right click on your little speaker icon on the laptop or computer and then select Open Sound Settings. And then from there, you can actually see, you can test your input and adjust it as needed. Just simply select device properties if you need to turn it up. I currently have mine at 100, so just to kind of give you an idea of where it's at. So overall, the microphone, I like it. It's an inexpensive unit. It's easy to set up. There's really no adjustments other than sound level. The channel and frequency is set, so you can't change that. And on the back here, of course, we have the antennas. Make sure they're pointed straight up for best reception. And then on the back, there are two XLR outputs to go into your soundboard or whatever. And then there's the single mono output, which is what I'm using. And it's got a 3.5mm adapter that goes into your laptop. So I've got that taken care of as well. There it is. I'm not sure of the frequency response of what it actually is. Right here shows a graph of it. And from negative 10 dB out, it starts at, looks like just below, right at 50 hertz. And then goes up to 20,000 with a sharp fall off, actually at 10. So this is probably going to be a decent voice mic. I don't know that it's going to be that great for singing. Might be, depending on what your voice range is. And kind of the same thing with the instrument. You know, if you want to put it in front of a guitar, it's got a pretty steep fall off right here from 10 to 20,000 hertz. That's very high. So anyway, keep that in mind. It's inexpensive. It's not meant to be professionals. Well, it says it is. But for just playing around with at home, or maybe some small local gigs, it should work out okay. Or podcast. I would really like to have the body pack option, because that would be nice for when I'm doing video. I can have a lapel mic then. So I'm going to check with that and see if they have that available. And if they do, I'll try to order one and also get a separate review on that. So anyway, there it is. It's a pretty decent deal. It's inexpensive. It is what it is. It doesn't have a whole lot of adjustments. Pretty much just plug and play. Be easy to use. Be good for practice at home with, or if you're playing, you know, just one instrument, a guitar, and singing with it, probably work out okay for that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. This is where I got to look up on the manual.